Today I'm gonna teach exercise number 2.5, question number 4, part. Find derivative with respect to x. So first step is always supposition. This question is not in the form of y is equal or x is equal to t is equal to. So first step is supposition. Suppose let y is equal to sine under 1 plus 2x divided by 1 plus x. Now differentiate with respect to x. How to differentiate? Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx. d by dx. Differentiate sine theta. Theta is 1 plus 2x divided by 1 plus x. So derivative of sine theta is equal to cos theta. So derivative of sine theta is positive cos theta. Cos theta. Theta is 1 plus 2x divided by 1 plus x. Now differentiate d by dx. Differentiate of theta. Theta is 1 plus 2x, 1 plus x. This is not simple x, so we will take the derivative of this theta. So we write cos theta as it is 1 plus x, and derivative of this term is 1 by, this term is in the form of d x raised to power n. Derivative of x raised to power means n x n minus 1. So what we write, n is 1 by 2, n x. X is 1 plus 2x divided by 1 plus x, n x n minus 1. Now again we will differentiate of this term. 1 plus 2x divided by 1 plus x. So next step is cos 1 plus 2x divided by 1 plus x, 1 by 2 1 by 2 nx and minus 1 by 2 become positive 1 by 2. 1 plus 2x divided by 1 plus x. 1 plus 2x divided by 1 plus x. 1 by 2 minus 1 becomes minus 1 by 2. Now we'll differentiate this term. How to take differentiate derivative of any u by v form? This is in the form of quotient. Derivative of any two quotient variable is u divided by v. Derivative of u divided by v is equal to v. This is u and this is v. Derivative of u by v. So we apply here u by v formula according to u by v rule. U by v. This we consider v. V derivative of u. U is 1 plus 2x minus u. U is 1 plus 2x, and derivative of v. V is 1 plus x whole divided by v square. V is 1 plus x square. Now next step is cos theta as it is divided by 1 plus x, and 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 becomes positive 1 by 2. 1 plus x. Positive 1 by 2 and positive 1 by 2 becomes under root. So Now 1 plus x as it is. Derivative of 1 is constant. Derivative of any constant is 0 plus 2 as it is, and derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So 2 into 1 means 2 minus 1 plus 2x as it is. Derivative of 1 is constant. Derivative of any constant is 0 plus x. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. 1 plus x whole square. Now cos theta as it is. And under root, this is in the denominator, we can write this in the form of 2 under root 1 plus x, 2x as it is. And we will write 1 plus x in the numerator. Now we solve this. 2 into 1 2 plus 2 into x becomes 2x minus 1 minus plus minus 2x divided by 1 plus x whole square. And next step, what we will do, cos theta as it is, 1 plus 2x divided by 1 plus x divided by 2 under root 1 plus 2x and under root 1 plus x. Now 2x and minus 2x cancel each other. 2 minus 1 becomes 1. 1 by 1 plus x whole square. Now we simplify this. How to simplify this? Equal to cos theta as it is, cos under root 1 plus 2x divided by 1 plus x, cos theta as it is, and 2 under root 1 plus x as it is, 2x, and 1 plus x under root becomes 1 by 2, and this is 1 plus x whole square. So cos under root 1 plus 2x, cos theta as it is, and 2 under root 1 plus 2x as it is, and 2 1 plus x, 2 minus 1 by 2, but we will get 2 to the 4, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 by 2. So answer becomes cos theta as it is divided by 2 under root 1 plus 2x and 1 plus x. 2 minus 1 by 2 becomes 4 minus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. 3 by 2. So this is our required solution.